Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Prime. This is Michael, and today in this video I am going to show you an amazing platform. Every day you will see platforms, tokens, coins, programs, everything included. Amazing projects. So just follow this video from the beginning to the end to understand all about this project. See you soon after this intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today in this video I am going to show you an amazing event, the FlipFest event 2 on the MEXC exchange platform. So as you see here, I will show you how you can earn on the platform for sure and how you can do a lot of things with us. So now before start, I just want to introduce the MEXC event exchange platform, one of the biggest exchange platform where you can trade safely and smoothly. They have a lot of tokens, almost 2.5 thousand spot pairs and 800 future pairs. So as you see, a lot of tokens, the hot features, the hot tokens, the alpha, the features, the spot gainers, future gainers, new spot, future spot, and a lot of things for sure. They have also an opportunity that you can hold the MX and enjoy various peripherals as you see. Also they have the official app on iOS and Android phones, so you can also download the APK from here if you don't have App Store or Google Play. So that's it guys, you can check here the feature, the spot, and the percentage for everything. Why you choose MEXC? Because it's one of the best 5 platform for me for sure. So today's event is the MEXC FlipFest. As you see here, you can earn a big surprise, a big rewards on the platform. How you can do this? You can just trade future and then you can change it or buy the cards. After that you can earn this card. So one card revealed every 120 minutes. So today event is and after 33 hours, 31 minutes. So this is the starting of the event, as you see, 15 January 2026, and it will end on 9 February 2026. So you can see here guys that the opportunity, first of all, register, then you can just go with your first card. So guys, our first card is 11 MEXC. As you see, registered, your card is in. Flip one more pocket card to share today's prize pool. So let's check it out. As you see here, the community cards. As you see now, they have almost 11 Solana, 8 Solana, 8 Ethereum, and 2 other cards. I don't know them, but for my pocket, for my personal pocket, we have here 11 MEXC. So I have to trade 5,000 USDT on future to flip the second card and qualify for a share of this round's prize pool. So how you can do this? It's easy guys, you can just trade and for sure you can be one of the winners. Use power card to sweep your pocket card. The high your rank, the bigger your share of today's prize pool. So guys, my currently hand rank to be in logged, my point are 0 for now, but I need to trade at least 5,000 USDT on future to flip the second pocket card and unlock your hand rank. So all what I have to do is click here trade. I will go directly to the future page like this, select your coin or your token. As you see, they have a lot of tokens like this. So let's start with some tokens like for example this one. Then you can just trade like as you see, limit or market or choose case. So let's try with $5, open long. So this is my order. As you see here, you can check every single information about the trading pair, the position, the enterprise, the fair price, the liquidity price, margin ratio, margin, increased PNL and released PNL, etc. So now let's back here. If you see that we have trade $5 or 4.33 today's future volume, so I need to trade with $5,000 from here. So how you can do this? You can just trade a sample one. So now only for this boost your hand point and point, I need to trade with 9,995.67 cents then to receive one sweep card. So let's start. This is the table for this. This is the race one to reach the first 10,000, then 30,000, then 50,000, then 75,000. So that's it, guys. You can also invite friends to join today's event for an extra point booster. So all what I have to do is invite this share. You can share the link with your friend or family. Just copy it here or download it. They can use also this one. This is the referral code, as you see, 30AYI. Then you can also they can also use this QR code. So guys, one of the biggest platform, one of the biggest event come back again on the MEXC because they found a lot of things on the past event. So guys, that's it. It's just trade and win on the MEXC platform. You can also trade your way to higher price pool. How you can do this? You have to trade 200,000 USD more to enter the next price pool. So that's the biggest price here, and you can check here the starter pool, the resin pool, the elite pool, ultimate pool. So for us, we have just the started one. The participant can earn 0.2% and the price pool 3.23%, and you can select, for example, A or B1 plus or C or D plus or D. So that's it, guys. Actual reward may vary slightly depending on the participant point boost updated on 26th January. So guys, that's it. First of all, you can join the event and join the platform. I will put the links under this video description for everyone who wants to enjoy and join us on the FlipFest event on the MEXC exchange platform. That's great. That's clear, guys. See you soon on the next video, and goodbye.